when, how much, all this information we know before receiving the material, right? That is the advantage of with reference. Okay, goods receipt or goods movement. So we also have, I already told, right? In inventory management, we have quality and value related this one. Okay, updates will be happening because as it matter related to value, right? In, there is another concept, okay, where non-valuated goods receipt. Okay, so here what is non-valuated goods receipt is nothing but we receive some material, okay, which maybe some chemicals or some materials, raw materials, okay, which need to have some specific set of this one, okay, criteria or specifications which needs to be there. Okay, they needs to be tested by the lab. Okay, the lab has to provide the report for those raw materials or those chemicals. Okay, in such cases, uh, we we don't have the report for such kind of material. Okay, it is missing, or even if it is tested, okay, they may missed it. Okay, so in such case they will not take this particular material into directly stock. Okay, they taken into blocked stock. Okay, this blocked stock and normal block stock here, right, during GR, this one. So we have block stock here, right, when we normally enter the GR, right, here the stock type you can select. Okay, this block stock and this block stock both are different. Okay, do not confuse. Okay, that particular block stock is normal block stock. Okay, that block stock is will be used whenever there is a material is damaged or material is not in good condition. Okay, our material needs to be evaluated or we need to be verified. In such case we put it in a block stock, but this block stock is only until unless we receive the certificate or we receive the report for the material, we use this GR block stock. Okay, this is non-validated GR block stock. Okay, in such case we use this 103 moment type, 103. Okay, so this particular moment type will make this GR as non-valuated. Okay, after we receive the report, after we receive the specification for the raw material, okay, or for the chemical, we do the this one transfer posting 103 GR block stock to normal unrestricted stock. Okay, in that case we use movement type 105. See, when you do 103, it is in a non-evaluated. After we remove from non-evaluated to any of these three stock, you can see unrestricted, stock in quality or block stock, we use 105 movement time. In this case, this will become non-evaluated to evaluated goods movement. Okay, so that is the difference. Okay, this is non-evaluated GR block stock. We use 103 to take into non-validated GR block stock, 105 to release from non-validated to normal stock. Okay, normal unrestricted quality or block stock. Okay, this is the non-validated GR block stock. Okay, so in this case, okay, consider we post this particular material into non-validated GR block stock, but vendor, okay, he's failed to get the report, failed to get the specification report. Okay, in such case, if I want to send this material back to vendor, okay, we use movement type 124 for return delivery. Okay, for return delivery use 124. Okay, for general return delivery we use 122. If you use 101 movement type, we use 122. In this case we use 124 movement type. Okay, that is one difference. Okay, so and if we do 103 also, I think this will be captured in the PO history. It's not recorded in the PO history. Yes, it will be recorded in the PO history. Okay, so start creating a purchase order. Okay, then we'll see how the GR block stock movement type will be done. Okay, Okay, let us check. So no issues in the purchase order. Let us save. So this is the purchase order. First display it. Okay, we don't have any release. Even there is no confirmation. Okay, we can directly do the GR. Okay, let me copy this. Going into the Migo. This is it. Purchase order. So here you can see GR into block stock 103 is the moment type. I'm taken at the initial screen. Okay, execute it. So all the data which is copied into the screen. Set item OK. I hope all the details which are required, which are already there, which are coming from the purchase order. You can see here 103 is a GR into block stock. Okay, so we are moving, and this will be an non-valuated GR as there is no account document gets generated. I will show you once GR is posted. Okay, let me check. So no issues. Let us post. So this is the metro document. Let us go and display metro document. You can see there is a metro document that gets created. You can see the moment type 103. If I try to open the accounting document, you can see the message no subsequent document found in accounting. So this is a non-vetted goods receipt because we are taken into goods receipt block stock. Okay, so once we receive the actual certificate or the lab report which is specific to this material, okay, then we are ready to move this to our own stock to make use of unrestricted, okay, to use into our activities from the stock. Okay, let us do the release from the GR block stock. Okay, you can use the same metro document. You can see system is automatically picking all the data from this metro document, and you can see the moment type is 105. Okay, so 105 it's a reversal, so it is coming from blocked stock to normal GR stock. Okay, select item. Okay, check. So no issues, then post. Okay, this is a metro document. Just display the metro document. Okay, so now you can see the stock. Okay, if I go on display here, you can see the quantity. Earlier the quantity of one was there, so we add another one quantity, so it becomes two. Okay, two pieces of material which is available. Okay, go on display accounting document now. You can see accounting document is created with stock and GRIR account with the even there is a price difference. Okay, we entered the price manually, so with respect to the material document it gets created a price difference account. Okay, so you can see this is a valuated GR wherein it created a account document. Okay, and now this is similar to 101. Okay, it is stock is available and we can ready to use. It gets created with the accounting document. Okay, this is how the 103 105 can be done in case of GR blocked stock will be used in case of any missing documents or missing reports for specific material or uh, the the what the material we received from the vendor.